This is on a BMW 340i. It would work on 3 Series and probably a lot of other models of BMWs. So the main problem is there is no secure way to lock the trunk. There's the glove box switch, which is laughable, and so if you want to secure something in your trunk and from a smash and grab, you're going to want to disable this trunk release button. I'll show you how to do it in a convenient way. Okay. There it is, boys. Now, pull this off. Okay. So this is what was in this switch, and now it's in my, I just keep it in a drawer. So it's these contacts that would be in this receptacle here where you saw me take out the cable. To get this out, which is where this normally is, you'll want to gently pry this off of the plastic case. The chipboard goes normally, so if I were to reverse this process, say if I'm going to sell the car again or sell it, you just want to put that back in. It's pretty obvious. You've got everything kind of lining up there. Put it in there, push this back in, voila. Now let's put it in. So what I like about this solution is that this doesn't get pushed back where you won't find it or notice it or even remember that it's there. You still have this being plugged in, and it's keyed, so there's only one right way. Plugged into your button, so everything looks normal. In fact, you'd really have to be an inspector and pull this out to see why this didn't work. But it certainly will not work now without that contact board in there.